In today's corporate world, transparency isn't just good practice, it's the law. Australia's Director Identification Number, or Director ID, is a key step towards stronger corporate accountability and preventing fraud. A Director ID is a unique 15-digit number issued once that stays with a director for life. It verifies a director's identity and helps regulators trace their involvement across companies. If you're a company director or planning to become one, you must apply for your Director ID through the Australian Business Registry Services, ABRS, before appointment. Here's how to apply. Step 1. Set up your MyGov ID with at least a standard identity strength. Step 2. Visit abrs.gov.au and complete your application online. It's quick, free, and most applications are approved instantly. Failing to apply or providing false information can lead to serious penalties under the Corporations Act 2001. Offenses include fines of up to 60 penalty units, and in severe cases, imprisonment for up to 1 year. The Director ID is more than just a number. It's your professional fingerprint in Australia's corporate world. Stay compliant, stay transparent, and protect your company's reputation.